Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for the perfect family home in the idyllic setting of Western Jamaica? Look no further than this stunning 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in the well sought after community of Coral Gardens in Montego Bay, St. James. Situated on over half acres of land, this property is a very rare gem, featuring a well-maintained and beautiful garden, fruit trees, remote access gates, and easy access to major shopping, medical facilities, airport, beaches, and other recreational excursion options. This home comes complete with high roofs, ceramic tiles, built-in hardwood kitchen, very spacious ensuite rooms, open concept living and dining area that flows seamlessly towards the kitchen as the layout is well thought out. This is truly an exceptional property that offers everything you need for the perfect family home in a highly sought after location. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $399,950. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.